Members of our affiliate parties, starting with Honorable Chris Wamalwa of Ford Kenya.
Thank you very, very much. As One Kenya Alliance, we are deeply concerned about the ongoing extrajudicial killings. We've seen this happening in Embu, Kitengela, and we call upon the relevant authorities, particularly the Independent Police Oversight Authority, to move with speed. As we go towards the general elections, we also call upon the IEBC. We are aware the 4 nominees are on the floor of the House. Probably by next week, we should be done with the vetting process. So we call upon the IEBC to move with speed in terms of preparation for purposes of free, fair, and credible elections. I thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. On behalf of Wiper, I call upon Honorable Makali Mulu to say something.